In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview Twitter accounts on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Trust me, it's worth it. It's packed with different premium features that are completely for free, such as the wallet tracker, an amazing Twitter tracker. They have a P&L tracker, an amazing reward system you can earn Solana with. They have a turbo mode which can basically fill transactions faster. They have a lot of good filters, etc. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually preview the Twitter accounts, this has been a recent update. You want to go to polls over here, and then you can see some of these different coins over here have this blue guy icon over here. So there's just like a blue person over here, or this feather one over here. So this one over here. And if you just hover over this feather, as you can see, you're able to actually preview those Twitter accounts. So I just previewed this account over here, and let's see which also has this. There we go. This one has it. There we go. This is from Donald Trump. And then if I scroll down, there's some more that also have this. You can hover over it, and then you can just preview Twitter accounts, see how much likes their posts have, basically the amount of followers when they joined, and then their handle over here and their name. So you can do this for every single part over here. So for every single coin, which does have either a kind of blue looking feather over here or this blue looking person icon over here. So these two will actually enable you to preview Twitter accounts when you hover over them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.